Welcome once again to the museum shop at the National Heisey Glass Museum, located at 169 West Church Street in Newark, Ohio. Our current hours of operation are Tuesdays through Saturdays, 10 to 4 p.m. Our phone number is 740-345-2932. We can also be found on the web at heiseymuseum.org. Our last presentation caused so much excitement and interest that we thought we would do a supplement to it, featuring our beads today, with a little more information than we had in the last presentation. Our first series, the Depression series, that started the whole collection off so very well. We have a moongleam bead, which is a beautiful, beautiful green. We have a flamingo, and we have a Sahara. This is the Depression series. Our next series of beads were the Modern series. This consisted of a dawn bead, which is a beautiful gray, a crystal bead, and a zircon bead that was also later called limelight. These all, as you can see, reflect the modern period and are complete with sterling silver cores. Next, we introduced the Transitional Series. This consisted of a beautiful marigold bead, which is the color of marigold flowers, and a sterling silver Heisey charm that features our beautiful Diamond H registered trademark. To round out this collection, we have a beautiful hawthorn bead. This is a light and delicate lavender in color. Spring was the next collection to be introduced. This consisted of a plain opal bead, and then we introduced something new, hand-painted beads. We have an opal flower and an opal pine. These are beautiful and unique and hand-created. Regal was the next series to be introduced, and this consisted of a beautiful dark blue cobalt bead that, due to their popularity, we're currently out of and I cannot show you. The other bead in this series, the Alexandrite. This is an exciting color. The bead actually changes the appearance of the color in different lights. These were the Regal series. Next, we introduced a beautiful amber bead, an incredibly intense tangerine bead, and an experimental gold dot bead. Due to the success and popularity of our bead sets, we then introduced sparkle beads. These have wonderful flecks of silver that reflect the light and are available in most of the colors of our original series. Rounding out the collection, we have a number of specialty beads. The first one illustrated is cobalt flowers. This is a beautiful reminder of the spring. We have a very special Verlaise turquoise, which is a frosted zircon. We have a blue line bead in honor of those who serve in uniform. Then we have a very special crawl mirror bead. Rounding out the collection is the Christmas bead. This is a beautiful red dot. All of these beads are available at your National Heisey Glass Museum. Visit our website to see pricing and shipping, or give us a call at 740-345-2932, and we'll be happy to answer any questions or assist you in any way. I spoke earlier about my beautiful tangerine bead cufflinks. These are really fun. The cufflinks are made out of sterling silver, and you can choose any color bead you want to place on them. And you can also change the beads. We had a wonderful bride and groom that chose these for the groom to wear, and all the groomsmen for their wedding in celebration of Heisey. The other terrific thing about these beads is they're a wonderful conversation starter for somebody that doesn't know about Heisey. So we hope you've enjoyed the second installment of our series celebrating the museum shop here at the National Heisey Glass Museum, and I'll look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you so much.